Question number 16. The binary operation strict colon r plus r2 r is defined as a strict b is equal to 2a plus b. Find 2 strict 3 strict 4. So 2 strict 3. A strict b is equal to 2a plus b. So 2 strict 3 I can write 2 into a plus b. So 2 into 2 plus 3. Strict 4. So 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 3 that is 7, strict 4. Now 7 strict 4 I have to do. So a strict b is 2a plus b, so 7 strict 4 will be what? 2 into 7 plus 4. So 2 7s are 14, 14 plus 4, 18. So answer is what? 18. Question number 17 you can see, if a strict b denotes the larger of a and b. A strict b is what? Larger of a and b. This is the operations, binary operation. A strict b is equal to larger of a and b. And one more function is given. If AOB is equal to A strict B whole plus 3 you have to do. So 5 O 10 you have to find. A strict B is what? Larger of A and B, and AOB is equal to A strict B whole plus 3. So you know they are asking 5 O 10 means 5 strict 10 plus 3. I can write here 5 O 10, 5 strict 10 plus 3. So 5 strict 10 means what? A strict B is larger of A and B. So 5 strict 10 will be what? Larger of 5 and 10 plus 3. Larger of 5 and 10 is what? 10 plus 3. So answer is what? 13. Question number 17. Now question number 18th. Question number 18th you can see. Let strict be a binary operation on the set of all non-zero real numbers. Non-zero real numbers means r minus only 0 is not possible. Find the value of x given that 2 strict x strict 5 is equal to 10. It is given 2 strict x strict 5 is equal to 10. And let strict be a binary operation on the set of all non-zero real numbers given by a strict b is equal to ab by 5. A strict b is equal to ab by 5. So you have to solve this value of x you have to know. So this you write 2 strict x strict 5. A strict b is ab by 5. So x strict 5 will be what? X into 5 by 5 is equal to 10. 5 5 cancel. So 2 strict x is equal to 10. A strict b is ab by 5, so 2 strict x will be what? 2 into x by 5 is equal to 10. It means 2x is equal to 5 times 50 by cross multiplication. So x is equal to what? 50 by 2. It means x value is what? 25. X value is 25. Now question number 19. Question number 19. If the binary operation is strict on the set of integers z, is defined by a strict b is equal to a plus b minus 5. Then write the identity element of strict in z. You have to write identity element of strict in z. So let E be an identity element. You will write let E be an identity element. Then you know A strict E is equal to E strict A is equal to A. Means A strict E will be equal to A and E strict A will be equal to A for all A belongs to Z. Let E belongs to Z. This also belongs to Z only. E belongs to Z be an identity element, then A strict E is equal to E strict A is equal to A. It should come for all A belongs to integers. So A strict E is equal to A. So A strict B is equal to A plus B minus 5. So I am solving this. A strict E is equal to A. Then I will solve E strict A is equal to A. So A strict E is equal to A. A strict B is A plus B minus 5. So A strict E will be what? A plus E minus 5 is equal to A. A cancels, so E minus 5 is equal to 0. So E is equal to what? 5. If I solve this, E plus A minus 5 is equal to what? A. A strict B is equal to A plus B minus 5. So E strict A will be E plus A minus 5 is equal to A cancels. So E minus 5 is equal to 0. So E minus 5. So definitely I can say E is equal to 5 is an identity element for this operation. Is it clear? So E is equal to 5. Now question number 20. Question number 20 you can see. State whether the following statements are true or false and justify. First part. For an arbitrary binary operation strict on n. Any binary operation is there on natural numbers. It is given A strict A is equal to A. Is it true or not? A strict A is equal to A. For all A belongs to n. Is it true? No. If I take 1 strict 1 is equal to 1. If I am taking this binary operation as plus, let's say this is plus binary operation. So 1 plus 1 is not equal to 1. So I can say if any arbitrary means any binary operation if I will take, randomly I am taking, like plus I am taking. So 1 plus 1 is not equal to 1. 2 plus 2 is not equal to 2. So here it is given A strict A is equal to A. So I can say A strict is not a binary operation. So false. Answer is what? False. Now second part. Second part you can see. It is given if strict is a commutative binary operation on n. Natural numbers only given. Commutative binary operation means let's say I am taking A strict B is equal to what? A plus B. This is randomly I am taking A strict B is equal to A plus B. Any function is given. A strict B is equal to A plus B. This is the relation. And this is a binary operation. A strict B. It's given if strict is a commutative binary operation on n. Commutative binary operation on n means A strict B is equal to A plus B, and if you will do B strict A, then also it is what? B plus A. So it is a commutative binary operation. When you are doing A strict B or you are doing B strict A, you are getting what? A plus B only. Here B plus A, this also you can get A plus B only. So it is a what? Commutative binary operation on n. Then you have to check A strict B strict C. A strict B strict C is equal to C strict B strict A or not. So first I am solving this, then I will solve this. Both will come equal, then we can say if it's a commutative binary operation, then this is true or not. So check. Let's check. A strict B strict C will be what? A strict B is A plus B. Randomly I am taking. So B strict C will be what? B plus C. A strict B is A plus B. So A strict B plus C will be what? A plus B plus C. Here C strict B. So C plus B strict A. So C plus B strict A. A strict B is A plus B. So C plus B strict A will be what? C plus B plus A. This also is what? A plus B plus C. So here also A plus B plus C. Here also A plus B plus C. So both are what? Equal. So I can say if strict is a commutative binary operation on natural numbers, then A strict whole B strict C is equal to whole C strict B strict A. Both are equal to this. Is it clear? Now third part. Third part you can see. Every binary operation defined on a set having exactly one element. Let's say one set is given A is equal to. One set is given. Every binary operation, any binary operation if you perform on this set which have exactly one element A is necessarily commutative and associative with A as identity element, and A being the inverse of A. It is true because only one element is there, A. So if we'll do A strict E is equal to what? A is equal to what? E strict A. So it's true, A strict A, because here E is also what? Only one element is with this. So A is strict A is equal to also A is equal to what? A strict A. And you know, if this is E is what? A here, because only one element is with this. So inverse will be what? A strict B is equal to E. Inverse is also what? A only. So A strict A is also equal to A only. So definitely, if every binary operation defined on a set having exactly one element, A is necessarily commutative and associative. Commutative and associative with A as the identity element. A strict A is equal to A. And here A strict E is equal to E. E strict A is equal to A. Because I know only one element is present. So this is only identity element. This is only inverse. So A strict B, if I do, B is also what? A only. This is true. So when you will do, it is A strict B, you will get what? A strict A only. So A strict A you write, or A strict A you write. Both have what? Same. So it is commutative, associative. A strict B, strict C. So A strict B is what? A only. A strict C is what? Again A only, because only one element is present. If you do A strict B strict C, so A strict B strict C is what? A only. A strict A is what? A only. Like this you have to do. So only A you will get. So every binary operation defined on a set having exactly one element A is necessarily commutative and associative with A as the identity element, and A being the inverse of A. This is true. Third part, it is true. Is it clear? Okay. Now 21st question. Question number 21st. Let a strict be defined on the set 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's say this set is A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 elements are given. So by A strict B, and one function is defined, A strict B, this binary operation is defined. A strict B is what? LCM of A and B. LCM of A and B. LCM of A and B is strict a binary operation. You have to tell that strict a binary operation on NR. So let's say if I am taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Any two elements I am taking 2 and 3. Let's say I am taking 2 and 3. So if I perform 2 strict 3, you will get what? LCM of 2 and 3. LCM of 2 and 3. This is my binary operation. So LCM of 2 and 3 is what? So 2 strict 3 is what? 6. So 2 belongs to set A. 3 belongs to set A. But 6 does not belong to set A. If you know this, if 2 belongs to set A, this belongs to set A, definitely this should belong to set A. Then only I can say strict is a binary operation. But here 6 is not in the set, so I can say 6 does not belong to set A, so it is not a binary operation. Now question number 22. Question number 22. It is given if A is equal to A comma B, A is equal to A comma B, two elements are given, then find the number of binary operations on A. You know total number of binary operations on N will be what? On A will be what? N power N square. This is our formula. N is what? Total number of elements. So 2 are present, 2 power 2 square. So 2 power 4. So 1, 6, 16 is the answer. Question number 23. If A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 3 elements are given, 1, 2, 3, 3 elements are given. Then find the number of binary operations on A. So total number of binary operations, here also total number of binary operations. Here also total number of binary operations on A is equal to what? N power N square. So N is what? 1, 2, 3. 3 elements are present. So 3 power 3 square. 3 power 9. It's a long, so 3 power 9 you can solve or directly connect 3 power 9. Total number of binary operations on N. A. Set A. Now question number 24. Last question. question number 24. It's given let A is equal to Q into Q. Set A is given Q into Q. Q is what? Set of rational numbers. Strict be a binary operation on A defined by, it is given A comma B strict C comma D is equal to AC comma B plus AD. For all A comma B and C comma D belongs to set A, show that the operation strict on A is non-commutative. It is a non-commutative but associative. So I will show you. AB strict CD is equal to given AC B plus AD. If I do CD strict AB, I will get what? It is AC. So here it will be CA comma B plus AD. So D plus CB. D plus. So definitely both are not same. You can see AC here it is AC only. But here it is B plus AD, here it is D plus AB. So both are not equal. Both are not equal. So I can say AB strict CD is not equal to CD strict A comma B. So I can say it is non-commutative, but it is associative. You have to prove that it is associative. So I will prove that it is associative. Let's say A, B, C, D, E, F. Three ordered pairs I will take. A, B, C, D. Let A, B, C, D, E, F belongs to A. So first I will prove that A, B strict C, D. First I will do. Then strict E, F I will do. Next I will do A, B strict C, D strict E, F. First AB strict CD I will do, then whole strict EF I will do. Here AB I will leave strict. First I will do CD strict EF, then I will check both are equal, then I can say that it is associative. So AB strict CD. AB strict CD is what? AC B plus AD is strict E comma. So you know AB strict CD is AC B plus. So this into this, so you will get AC E comma. This B plus AD plus AC into EF, AC into F, AC into F. So AC, B plus AD, B plus A into D. So B plus AD into B plus AD plus AC into F. So AC F, B plus AD plus AC, ACE B plus AD plus ACF. Here leave AB as it is strict. First solve this one. So CE AC, so CE B plus AD, so D plus CF, D plus CF. So you get AB strict CE comma D plus CF. So AB strict CD is what? AC. So ACE first, ACE comma B plus AD, B plus AD. So B plus A into D plus CF. So you get what? ACE B plus AD plus ACF. So you can say here ACE AC, here B plus AD plus ACF, here also B plus AD plus ACF. So I can say both are what? Equal. So this is equal to this. So I can say this is associative, but this is not commutative. Thank you.